In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off Fortnite sleep mode. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to configure the energy saving features of Fortnite, including sleep mode, what you have to do is go over to the settings. So while you are in the lobby or on your locker, click on your icon at the top right corner of the screen, or open the social menu and then head over to the settings. Now, there are going to be a bunch of categories at the top. In order to manage sleep mode, you have to go over to game. So for me on PC, it is going to be the fourth one from the left. So you will have video, audio, communication, and finally game. So choose this option here, and then you have to scroll all the way down. When you scroll all the way down, you will find energy saving. You can also use this menu at the left, and you will find the option that we are looking for. Activate sleep mode after, and of course, if you want to disable it altogether, just set it to never. This way, sleep mode will never be activated. You have some other options here, so enable idle energy saving front end, and then enable inactive window energy saving. So this is up to you. As long as you set this first option to never, sleep mode will never come into play. Alternatively, you can set it to a very high value like 60 minutes, aka 1 hour, or 30 minutes. The default seems to be 15, so keep that in mind. And after you apply this, it will work for every single device. So as you can see, this setting applies to all devices where you are signed in. So this will work across all of them. As long as you set it to never or a specific amount of time, sleep mode will either go away completely, which is of course the main focus of this video, or it will be active after a certain amount of time. So choose whichever option you believe is best. Remember to always apply the changes, and as long as you do this, sleep mode options will be saved. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off Fortnite sleep mode. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.